Okay, so today we are going to see about this project I created. The name of it, the name of the class is written Chatbot one. Okay, this is in Java, this is in BlueJ. So here is the output. Hello user, please state the number of adults traveling. I've given 5 as input. Thank you for your response. Now please enter number of children below age 5 traveling. I've given 2. Thank you for your response. Now please state the cost of one ticket. So here I have written 10. I'm gonna I'm going to show the tutorial after this 10. Thank you for your response. So the total is 60. Okay, now I'm going to create another class. This is a very basic. uh, I'm just showing you the code of this. I've used scanner class as the input taking method. I can do it. Okay, and by the way, I've not shown how to install BlueJ or Java. You can check that from anywhere you want. Here I have created another class and gave it the name Chatbot 2. So I'm going to replicate this. Okay. So I'm going to open Chatbot 2 and delete all the inbuilt codes that is inside this class. Just Control plus A and delete. Now I'm gonna create the name the class, design the class, public class chatbot 2, and I'm just gonna replicate what is in chatbot 1. A little bit would be different, of course. So what is like after what I write, after class what I write is the name of this class. See, I have written test name here, also test name. Now I'm again gonna write chatbot 2, and here also after like outside here on the name of the class, this is also chatbot 2. So public class, whatever name you give is going to be there. Now public static void, I'm going to use the main, and yes, parenthesis, and I'm going to write string args, and this is not going to return anything. That's the void. uh, uh, and string args, you know how to write. If you do not, just follow along, I will get it. Okay, now the main thing inside this yellow part, I'm gonna write a few comments here. I don't do it usually, but for the sake of this I'm gonna write initializing variables. So I'm gonna create all the variables: int x, int int means integer, by the way, int na, that means number of adults. You can use whatever variables you like. So one thing, you cannot use numbers before a variable, and you cannot use spaces also. You cannot use numbers, you cannot use spaces. There are a lot of rules among naming variables. If you follow them, you cannot use any specified keywords also. So nc means number of children, and city means cost of the ticket. And I'm going to import the scanner, the util library, the for I'm gonna only import the scanner class from the, nothing else. The util package, sorry if I said library, I'm going to import the util package and the scanner class from that. Okay, so it's a syntax: import space java dot util dot scanner semicolon. I'm gonna also write a comment importing scanner class. This is a very basic project. It just only revolves around the fundamental inputting using scanner class, and just a basic if statements and all. I haven't used any kind of checks and all. You can always create that. If the cost is below zero, then negative, um, then we can share that the entered value is wrong. So I'm going to replicate the entire this. Maybe some would be different, but the variable names and all, I don't know. I'm going to try my best. And yes, returning. Okay, So now I'm gonna create the object, scanner object. Scanner s is equal to new scanner. The system dot in, write it, the s should be in capital. The dot in and the rest system out of system should be in small. And okay, the object is created, and now we are going to do the if statements. Okay, first let me print something. System dot out of print ln for next new line. If you use system dot out dot print, the after the printing, the before the printing nothing happens, but if you use print ln after the printing a new line is found. If you use print, it like it is not that, like so for example, if you do system dot out dot print x, system dot out dot print y, then y would be printed just beside x. But if you do print ln after x, the system dot out dot print ln x, system dot out dot print ln y, then what would happen? Y would be printed below x. So this is the fundamental difference between print and print ln statements. Okay, my charge is down. Let me plug this. Okay, sorry for that. Yes, now system dot out dot println hello user. This is Shadow, the railway chatbot, and please enter the number of adults traveling. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna take the input using the sc or the object I've created. The name of the object is sc. You can include whatever you like. So number of adults n a is equal to sc dot new, sorry, sc dot next int. The I should be in capital, and I forgot to use the parentheses. Yes, but before that, let me show you that whatever text is written also here, the strings, now please enter number of children below age 5 and all. This is like total customizable. At the green part you can use whatever like the string text. So yes, let me put the parentheses real quick, and yeah, okay. So now nc is equal to like taking the input for the children as well together. Okay, I don't think that would work because I haven't used the string yet, so I'm gonna keep that and print that please and thank you for a response. Please enter the number of children. My bad. So a trick is that system.out.println parenthesis open parenthesis closed semicolon. I copy this entire thing because I have to use it now and then, and paste it as required. Number of children below age 5. Also, there is no issue if you are also using parentheses inside parentheses. Java understands that. If you want to install Java, you can go to the Oracle website and find it there, or you can just go to the search BlueStacks, and Java and BlueStacks is bundled together, so you can install it for your computer. Thank you for your response. Now the cost of the ticket. System out println. Sorry, system out println. Please enter the cost of each ticket. One ticket. Arrival and destination. Sorry, one ticket. So I'm gonna take the input as well. I'm also gonna write a comment taking input. This is like for only for the video I'm doing. I don't do it, but it's a good habit. This is cool Java, the code Java. Like I haven't called a class and all. They are quite like a little bit more advanced. But this is just the basic like just the if statements as kind of class. Okay. So one thing here, the cost I've written instead of next int, and see the ct variable when I've initialized it is in integer format. So the cost can be in decimals also, right? Like for example, $10 1 cent, or in INR 10 rupees 40 paisa. Like this is not practical, but it's possible, right? So that's why I'm gonna change the SC dot next to double. Okay, DLU the D should be in capital, and also the variable data type above double city. You can use int no problem, because like I don't think nowadays there are cost of tickets in cents and pesos, but it's like if you're writing it for school and all, it's a good habit. Like it will get you more marks. Now I'm gonna just print some blank lines. It makes the program look good. The output screen. Now calculating final cost. So I'm also gonna use double because the cost is in double, and you cannot generally calculate something with inside a integer data typed value, sorry, integer variable, and you cannot include basically a double or variable of some else data type in a calculation that is done inside an integer or another data typed value. Like you cannot do int a is equal to double something into double something, or double something to int something. You have to use double for that. So here it is, NA, number of adults into number of number of adults to cost of ticket into number of children into cost of ticket into 0.5, because the here I've like according to this program the children has a 50% discount on the ticket. So your final cost would come up to, or would be, expenditure. Okay, same thing, expenditure, or like it looks good, expenditure on tickets will be uh, total cost, whatever, double, yeah, rs or dollars. I'm gonna use dollars because the rs sign is not on my keyboard. This is actually a voiceover, so when I was writing the code I couldn't find the rs. I don't know now also there is or not, so I'm gonna just use dollar. Plus total cost plus uh, quote unquote dollar sign. Okay, so let's compile, let's find out something is wrong or not. I'm not going to create an instance, I'm just directly going to call it because I've used main function. Hello user, this is Shadow, the railway chatbot. Please enter the number of adults traveling. Okay, 10. Okay, thank you for a response. Now please enter the number of children below age 5. I'm also gonna write 10 just for the sake of easy calculation to show. You can enter anything you like. I'm also gonna input 10, I guess. Let's see, 10. So 150 rupees. 10 into 10 is 100, plus 10 into 1.5, sorry, 0.5, 5 into 10, 50, 150 rupees. This is okay. Thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.